Y'all know I gotta get these lips hydrated. So I already started my brows. I did just fill them in with this NYX pencil, and this is in the shade Brunette. I did fill them in. I kind of suck at eyebrows, honestly, but I'm still learning. So now I'm going to go ahead and outline them with my LA Pro concealer, and this is in Cool Tan. And don't be coming for my nail because I just took my nails off and this one won't come off. So I think I'm gonna go to the nail shop tomorrow and get that done. So I'm gonna use this angle brush from Morphe. It is M165 to line the brows. Please comment below a bomb eyebrow tutorial. Y'all, I am in my room. I am vibing. I got my Pandora on. My dog is asleep. So I gotta get this video in before her badass wake up. I gotta show y'all her too. If you're following me on Instagram, I'm sure you've seen Sushi because she's everywhere on Instagram. I'm gonna use this Morphe concealer brush. It is M173. So it's a Morphe 173 concealer brush, and I'm gonna just blend the concealer that I put on my brows. So now I'm going to go ahead and use the same concealer, the LA concealer. Again, this is in Cool Tan, and I'm gonna put it all over my lids. And then blend that. Now the palette that I'm using is the James Charles palette, which I am hella juiced to use because this palette came out back in, I wanna say what, December? Mind you, I have not touched it, okay? To set my eyelids, I'm gonna use Dermablend setting powder. I like using this setting powder because it's white for one, and I feel like it works really good with your shadow. This right here, this bad boy, okay, so this palette has like a little clear sheet where it gives you all the names of the shadows. Maybe tape this up here. I'm gonna start with let's see this color right here. This is called 10% off. I'm gonna just pack that on, like not the crease but a little bit above the crease, like. Not gonna blend it yet. I'm gonna just pack it on to build it up first, and then I'm gonna blend it out. Tell y'all what brush I was using. Morphe M441 brush. This is my favorite brush. This is the one I always use anytime that I do my makeup. I actually just went to Ulta and bought like 3 more of them. This one's kind of, this is the old one, as you can see. This color right here. This is called Love That. Purple burgundy-ish color. Pencil brush. This is Morphe M330. And the crease right here. Blend it out. Now we're going to take the black color that's in the palette. It's only one black and it's called Spooky. So basically I got the black where I wanted it, packed it on, and then mostly on the crease, and then basically blend that shit out, sis. So now I'm going to use this blue color right here. Another Morphe brush, E32 black brush, and I'm gonna just put that over my my lens, okay? So the blue color, it did have some fallout, but only because I was like digging in the pan like to pack it out. But I think if I would have sprayed my brush with some setting spray, I don't think that would have happened. But now I'm gonna move on to some eyeliner. I'm gonna use NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Okay, now that I got my lashes on, I'm gonna be using some mascara. This is Maybelline Pumped Up Colosso. A Morphe M431 brush, and it's just a Morphe highlight for my brow bone. First, I'm going to prime my skin with baby skin. Love this. It's like a jelly, you know, like baby Vaseline or something. Skin is so dry, like so dry, especially on my eyebrows and my nose. Like right here in my nose around here, it's like always peeling. So if you can, comment below what y'all suggest I use for that, like for real. So foundation, I'm going to be using Fit Me and Urban Decay. My Fit Me is in the color Mocha, and then Urban Decay All Nighter is in shade 9.75. The Morphe E6 brush. Put it on the back of my hand. Oh shit. Get that a little squirt too. I'm gonna spray my brush first with the Mario Badescu. Is it Badescu or Badescu? I'm always getting on here not knowing the names of shit, huh? I'm going to take my beauty blender and pat it in also. You know, sometimes when I use this though, I do feel like the beauty blender is sucking up more of the product than my face is. Okay, so for my highlight, I am going to be using the LA Girl and Cool Tan also. I think I actually might mix this with the Fenty though, because this is really, really light. Okay, so to set this concealer, of course, I'm going to be using Riri setting powder, and this is in Honey 438 brush. I feel like this one is too warm. You see what I mean? Contour, it's contour, bronze, whatever. I'm gonna use this Ulta Beauty adjustable coverage foundation. It's a pressed powder and it's in the color dark neutral. This is a Morphe E4 brush, angle brush. This mirror is so small on here. Okay, okay. Okay, so now for highlight, I am going to use the Morphe highlighter, and this is in the color Mirage. It's Morphe M330. So for my setting spray, I am going to use the NYX Matte Finish